Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to my channel, ZinoVision. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install a 100% save game for your GTA 5 game. With this, you will complete the game in just a few minutes. Let's go ahead and check my stats. As you can see, it is 100% completed. So, before I'm going to show you how to do that, I would like to inform you this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. If you find any value in this video, which you will, please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. So let's get started. Okay, to make this all work, we're going to go ahead and extract my save game file for you guys. We're gonna go to documents, Rockstar Games. So you have to go here to documents, Rockstar Games. Doesn't matter if you're on Steam or Epic, whatever, it is the same. It's in documents, Rockstar Games, this folder right here, profiles, and then it's one of these two. Which one was it? Let me see. Yeah, it's definitely this one because of the date. And we're gonna take these two files because that is my save game. I'm gonna put it in a zip file for you guys, and I'm gonna call it save game 100Z, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here for you guys. I'm gonna save it. Oh, yes, I'm gonna save it. So what you have to do, there will be a link in the description towards my Discord. You have to go to my Discord, you have to verify yourself. After you're verified, you will see all the channels. To verify, you do need to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and after that you can go to the GTA resources and download this file. So to be clear, you just click on this arrow, continue to download, and it will download for you right away. Okay, so that's what you need to do. We also have, by the way, a GTA installation service for anything and a support post page. Back to here, you have your folder that you downloaded, like I have to right here. Let me just put it next to each other. So gonna be this right here on the left side. You see the file that we downloaded. You just double click on it and you're in the folder, like I do here. Let me remove this one. And then you can actually go ahead and drag and drop it in your folder. It's going to ask you to replace the ones that you already have, and you're going to click on yes. Just to be clear now, it's not going to work the same, so I'm going to go ahead and copy these two because these are actually different ones. I'm going to show you what happens when I launch GTA. So I'm going to replace it with these. And this is mine. I just took another one that is not the same save game. I'm gonna go ahead and launch GTA, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna just drag and drop it and put it in here, and then when you launch it, if I'm correct, it's gonna open up a window for you to decide which save game, because you already also save in the cloud, which one you want to keep. And we're gonna keep the local one. Oh, it's not even asking for it. Doesn't really matter, but that's how easy it is. You're gonna choose the left option and not the right option to actually save the local one that you just download and installed. So that's how easy it is, folks. Please let me know if this helped you in any way. Thank you all for watching, and let me also know if it didn't work for you. Give me some feedback. Thank you very much and have a good day. Goodbye.